The lift I did yesterday, as you can see the difference. The seal has been replaced, as you can see. Well, you can't see, but you know what I mean. Plate is clean. And there the lift is all the way down to the ground. Okay, so now we're going to walk over to the other side. Nobody's here at 7 in the morning, so that's good. And this is the other lift. Now both of these have a little bit of rust on them. So I have to take my time and figure out which one is not going down, and who knows, it may even be maybe both. The other one went so easy. I'm due for a little bit of a pain in the ass today, but then again, you never know. So this is part one. Let me see if I can figure out which one is preventing it from going down to ground level, or if both of them are preventing it from going down to ground level. This is part one of a repair of a Western WB2 lift in Ontario, California.